What if Einstein merged with a sunflower? Let's find out. Next up, Daredevil with a red radish. If you enjoyed this fusion, subscribe so you don't miss the next one.